Hello, my name is Kevin Jones. I am a lawyer with the Dodge Jones Injury Law Firm. I am the workers' comp specialist with the firm. We are an Eastern North Carolina law firm with offices in Jacksonville, Greenville, New Bern, Morehead City, and Beaufort, and we handle cases all over the eastern part of the state. I'm here to talk to you about some frequently asked questions that I get in my practice as a workers' comp lawyer. One of those is can I be entitled to workers' comp benefits even though my boss, my employer, says that I'm an independent contractor and that I'm not entitled to it because he says or she says I'm an independent contractor? And the answer is that yes, you may very well be entitled to workers' comp despite what your employer is saying about your status. What your employer calls you is not nearly as important as basically 8 different factors that the courts look at whenever there's a dispute. I'm not going to go through all of them, but suffice it to say, if they treat you like an employee and you're not really independent, and for example, things like who decides when you come and go from work, how are you paid? If you're paid by the hour, that is a very important factor in determining whether or not you are an employee or an independent contractor. So most of the time, if you're paid by the hour, and especially if your employer is setting your schedule, that's probably going to be an employment situation, even if he's not taking or she's not taking taxes out, even if they're giving you a 1099 instead of a W-2 at the end of the year, and even though they're telling you that because of those things, and even if you've signed a piece of paper saying, I am an independent contractor, that doesn't matter. If you're treated like an employee, you still may have rights under the Workers' Comp Act to receive benefits as an employee. Employers sometimes do these things to avoid, they think, having to pay taxes and having to pay workers' comp benefits. And so when that kind of thing happens, you really need to talk to a workers' comp specialist. You need to talk to someone who can go through all of those factors